Welcome to a new CSS Hero tutorial. In this short tutorial, we will see how to style all the siblings of an element you're interacting with. Specifically, we will style the hover state of a WooCommerce collection on an e-commerce website. Okay, let's launch CSS Hero by clicking on the link. Scroll down to our collection and select the following selector with CSS Hero. Now let's apply a CSS transition, which will allow us to make the transition between the normal state to the hover state of the selector smoother. Okay. Now we need to select the area that contains all the items, the parent element. We can either click on it or use the navigator, as I am showing you. Now let's switch the state and choose the hover state. Alright, now we need to build a new selector starting from this one. Click here and write. The child combinator, greater than, is placed between two CSS selectors. It matches only those elements matched by the second selector that are the direct children of elements matched by the first. This selector we've just created will target the hover of the parent, then target all the children except the one you're hovering over. This means that the style will work with all the children except the one that is hovered. Now let's apply a transition and adjust the opacity value. Now let's switch to the navigate mode and see the final effect. To solve this issue that you see, we should act on a specific CSS property. Let's see it together. We will use the pointer events property. The pointer events property defines whether or not an element reacts to pointer events. We will set this CSS property both to the item and its container. Select the single product and apply. Pointer events, auto. Now we need to set the pointer events rule also for the parent element. Let's select it and apply this CSS rule. Pointer events, none. Let's switch back to navigate mode to verify. Perfect, we have solved it. Now let's see how we can have fun and apply other CSS filter effect. This drop-down menu allows us to select the CSS element we've built before. Now let's remove the opacity rule and move to the filter section and see the available effects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss an update from our channel.